Hey friends. Alright, we're going to read this story called Kiteday, a bear and mole story. Bear looked at the sky. Could it be? He wondered. He tilted his head up. He smiled and then shouted, Kiteday! Bear rushed home. Huff, puff, huff. Come on, Bear waved to Mole. Kiteday is here. Bear collected. Mole studied. Bear snatched. Bear measured and cut. Mole drew. They both constructed. Finally, they raced outside into the meadow. The kite flew. Zoom, zoom, zoom. It soared up, up, up. And then dark, heavy clouds rolled in. Rumble, rumble, rumble. Uh-oh. The breeze grew into a gust. Then snap! The kite string broke. Oh no! Away, away, away spun the kite. Oh no, screamed Mole and Bear. Down, down, down plunged the kite. Save that kite, shouted Mole. The two ran. Hurry, 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 urged Bear. Mole stopped. He tilted his head up. Splat, splat, splat. Rain pelted the broken kite. Look, cried Bear. Oh, sighed Mole. Chirrup, 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 squeaked the chicks. Thank you, sang the mother bird. So their kite protected some baby chicks. That's cute. Bye.